Where can you RV just outside a major city and still feel like, wow, you're in the middle of nowhere? I'll show you coming up. So we're at Paynes Prairie Preserve State Park in Gainesville, or just outside of Gainesville. An absolutely fantastic park. All right, so I'm at the boat ramp here, and this is just a really pretty looking site. There are alligators, so I have to watch out for that, but just a nice way to get out and see the park. One of those kind of low-lying parks that has some water, and you can clearly see if there's a lot of water, rain, things like that. There are probably lots of levels that get flooded, but it is a great state park. Lots of places for you to go ahead and park in terms of camping. The sites are pretty easy to navigate. There are a total of 50 spots to both RV camp and tent camp. The place in general has a lot of hiking trails as well, some observation spots that you can stop off at and look at. The Wi-Fi signal, very good here, and the over-the-air channels you can get with your antenna work as well. Had just one small issue in the park, and that was with the power one day. So there was a power outage here at the state park, first time for me. My surge protector worked perfectly. I went and checked it and then called over to the ranger's office and found out that, yeah, it is just a power outage. But glad I had my surge protector, Camco. Thanks. One of the things I really like about this place so far is just kind of the calmness in the middle of nowhere. You know, just up the road is University of Florida, and all around it you got gators, boom, boom, boom. So it's a nice kind of respite to the regular part of the world, because it's in the state park, which is not too far from everything, but once you're in the park, it feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. Now, in terms of hiking, you know I love to get my hike on whenever I get to a state park. Check this out. So as I do my hike, right now it's kind of along the side of a road. I'm hiking to the visitor center from the campground. Really interesting material here. The forest is controlled with some burns, and you can see that on some of the trees, but it's just a really interesting kind of geography of everything. Now, I do believe there are some actual hiking trails, and we'll try and check those out as well, but this is just beautiful. Taking a look at some of the trees and the prairies here, it's just really nice. A great way to get a hike in, and in this case, a hike in before it starts to rain. Hey, remember, if you like the content that you're seeing on this channel, please click and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and you will be alerted whenever a new video comes out. So one of the things you can do when you're here is go bird watching, and some nice trail information here for you. You know, I don't really know a lot about birds, but there seems to be a lot out here. So this could be a good place to just come and explore if you'd like to. So we're at Paynes Prairie Preserve State Park. Make sure you check it out if you can. It's a great deal. I think in the middle of the week for me, I think it was about 18 bucks per night. This is a place that I could see myself coming back to on a regular basis. Hey, just a reminder, you can follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have a blast, tent camp, RV, whatever it needs to be. Just go out and enjoy. I'm sure you'll have a great time.